If you want more content, catch me on Twitch on Jrekml. I'm there every day.
What up, y'all? Today, Les SSERAFIM. Fearless official music just came out. This is Hybe's girl group. I actually did not know it came out this fast. Actually, I thought I had a little bit more time to actually just like check out the other stuff, but here we are. This should be very interesting, especially coming from Hybe. I'm very curious to see how this sound for this girl group will be like. I've seen the teasers on Twitch, guys. Follow the Twitch if you haven't. Twitch.tv/JREAMERS. We do K-pop a lot over there, but we also play games. I've been on this Switch Sports like addiction, and my like whole like arm is like sore from playing badminton. Oh, it feels actually a lot better today. Oh, okay. Who wants to smoke? Les SSERAFIM? Am I saying that right? I don't know. Guys, I do also have the Discord, so link in the description. Join the Dreamer Squad. If you're a dreamer, if you want to know more and more behind the scenes, go check out the link. Without further ado, let's get into this. Let's go. Let's begin. Play my intro.
If you want more content, catch me on Twitch on Jrekml. I'm there every day.
Let's get into this. Let's go. Let's begin. We got captures on. Is this Bam? Bam? Was that? Did it just spoil me? Wait, we'll see. In 3, 2, 1. Okay. Wait, hold on. There's so much just happened. So much choreography just happened. Oh, leg, turn face. Ooh, hand. Oh. Fire. That was fire. Ooh, and they coming up like that. Okay. I found my answer. So through my veins a new wave. Okay, Slay. It already has like a very low. I don't know how this is gonna drop, but it already has like a low type of beat, but it's not like nothing like crazy yet for like a K-pop song. You know what I'm saying? So, ooh, Fearless.
What did she say?
What? I'm fearless, a new bitch, new crazy. Damn. Me too. Ooh. Ooh, and it has the like the logo, like their name on the side. Okay. If my scars are a part of me. Oh, I got no fear. Ooh. Oh. I don't. Your music video? Hey. Okay. Oh, that's an interesting shot. It's like behind the blinds, and they found out you were like watching, I guess, and then they started just continuing to choreo. Right? Isn't that like? Oh, it's behind something. Yeah, blinds. Oh, ooh, she's slaying. They all slaying, but I keep on looking at her because of the short hair, I think, too. Ooh, okay, wait, did I find my bias? Like, I don't know. They're hella young, too, so let's go, sis. Let's go. Ooh. Oh, damn. Does this go further? Oh, like IG Live? Huh? She just sitting on the top of a car with wires? That is fearless, because I would not do that. Not me. Wouldn't catch me on that. But you fearless. Way more fearless than me. Girl, you just on a car just like chilling? Like outside the car? Fearless. Oh, she's killing it for me. Like all of them are slaying, but I just and her body rolls all like she did this. She went like that. She went like that. She went like that, babe. Hi.
Subscribe and like the video.
Okay. But yeah. I like how this is going already. She's fired though. Damn, it's still, she kills those body rolls. So is this like a title track or a pre-debut? Oh. Yo, they're doing the move that I do when I got my R&B playing in the background. Get your shit. Ooh. Okay, that. Ooh. Ooh, I need to get to know more of the girls, their names, because I wasn't able to yet. Like I didn't get to check out the teasers yet, but definitely gonna run it back. I'm fearless, huh? Oh. It's literally the same like lettering, right? I'm fearless, SSERAFIM. That's kind of crazy. Do you think I'm fragile? Whoa, nobody. Wait, what? Damn, you just gonna ask questions like that? Do you think I'm fragile? No, I didn't. Well, damn. With K-pop, it's just like more upbeat, crazy noise like that, but it's kind of more focused on. They're using their voice more to set the tone too. She's killing it. I need to wait. Hold on. I need to look up Kim Chae-won. Ah, oh, she's the leader, vocalist. Ah, Chae-won. She was in Eyes One. Yeah, that's right. That's right. She was in Eyes One. Sakura. Ooh, Sakura. Japanese. Okay, bet. Former Eyes One member. Eyes One made bangers too. That's what's crazy. Yunjin. Produced 48. Oh, also a pledged entertainment trainee. Grew up in New York. Oh, cool. Actually, fire. Kazuha. Nakumaro Kazuha. Rapper dancer. Ah. Wow, 2003. Oh my god, so young. God, she's 5'9". Oh, I'm sorry. I was like, damn, you so young and you so tall. Garam. Alright, vocalist. 2005. Oh my god. Scorpio 5'7". Lunche. Oh my god, 2006. Scorpio 5'8". What? You just keep on getting taller. SSERAFIM is an anagram for I'm fearless. It originally comes from the term SSERAFIM, whereas Seraphim is a six-winged heavenly being. Ooh, I would not know this actually. In case SSERAFIM consists of 6 members, which is a delegate for this meaning. Okay, now we learned something. I like it a lot. I'm very curious to hear the other music too, just to see what other songs I would like. Put a comments down below what you guys think of SSERAFIM. I don't know, I feel like I'm gonna have a fun time saying this name. It's your boy JRE. Guys, check out the links in the description. Be sure to like this video, share this video, and subscribe. Your boy is in the middle of moving again. Nothing too crazy, but still moving takes a lot. There's a lot of things I have to go through first before actually moving out. So if you don't see me uploading as much as possible on YouTube, it's mostly because I'm also just doing Twitch, so go check out my Twitch as well. And yeah, follow my Instagram, my TikTok, and I'll see you guys to the next video. Alright, yeah, to the next time, everybody.
Hey, you better subscribe.
If you want more content, catch me on Twitch on JREAMERS. I'm there every day.
I'm sipping on soju. Hey, do I know you? He got an ex, so that joint is old school. I'm in it like swimwear.